Hi friends, Physical Science 10th class Chemical Bonding Part 4. These multiple choice questions are very useful for the 10th class students as well as for the various competitive exams. First question. The phenomenon of intermixing of atomic orbitals of almost equal energy which are present in the outer shells of the atom and their reshuffling or redistribution into the same number of orbitals but with equal properties like energy and shape is called lone pair, configuration, hybridization, van der Waals forces. C is the right answer, that means hybridization. Hybridization of atomic orbitals was proposed by Linus Pauling. Next question. Dash are formed due to unequal sharing of electrons by the combining atoms. Dash are formed due to unequal sharing of electrons by the combining atoms. Ionic bond, covalent bond, polar bonds, none of these. C is the right answer, that means polar bonds. The compounds formed by ionic bond are called covalent compounds, ionic compounds, polar solvents, none of these. B is the right answer, that means ionic compounds. These are highly reactive in polar solvents and reactions are instantaneous. The compounds formed by covalent bond are called ionic compounds, covalent compounds, non-polar solvent, none of these. B is the right answer, means covalent compounds. They are slow or very slow at room temperature. Dash are having large dipole moments. They contain bond between atoms with different electronegative atoms. Non-polar solvent, polar solvent, both of these, none of these. B is the right answer, means polar solvent. Next question. Dash are do not dissolve ionic compounds but will dissolve non-polar covalent compounds. Polar solvent, non-polar solvent, both of these, none of these. B is the right answer, means non-polar solvent. Next question. Dash forces are purely electrostatic forces operating between molecules at a short distance. Dipole-dipole forces, van der Waals forces, ion dipole forces, none of these. B is the right answer, means van der Waals forces. Next question. Molecules having two oppositely charged poles are called polar molecules, van der Waals forces, covalent compounds, all of these. A is the right answer, that means polar molecules. Which compounds are having high melting and boiling points? Polar covalent, covalent compounds, ionic compounds, none. C is the right answer, that means ionic compounds. These are having high melting and boiling points. Covalent compounds soluble in non-polar solvents, polar solvents, both of these, none of these. A is the right answer, means non-polar solvents. Based on the principle like dissolves in like. They are soluble in non-polar solvents. Naphthalene is a non-polar compound. It can only dissolve in non-polar solvent like water, kerosene, liquid ammonia, none of these. B is the right answer, that means kerosene, based on the principle like dissolve in like. Next question. In given below which is polar solvent? Benzene, kerosene, ethoxyethane, liquid ammonia. D is the right answer, means liquid ammonia. It is used as refrigerant in ice plants. When it vaporizes, it absorbs large quantity of heat without changing its temperature. Next question. In given below which is polar covalent? Sodium chloride NaCl, hydrogen chloride HCl, ethane C2H6, none. B is the right answer, means hydrogen chloride HCl. Soluble in polar solvents like water and to some extent in non-polar solvents. Thank you for watching.